YouTube channel. I'm Selfire, and today I'll be showing you how to make a game, a simple game. First, you need Roblox Studio. Okay, guys, once you're done with that, you should be here. You can choose whatever you want, but I'm just gonna choose a simple flat terrain. Now, once we're here, this grass faceplate. So now okay, maybe I'll just put in a couple of cars. So you should just search cars. Okay, since this one's first, it might be, oh my goodness, look at all those votes. Okay, I'm just gonna, okay, put it in a car. Okay, that looks good. Let's see, how much votes? Wait, these have a lot of votes, so I don't know why, but I'm just gonna put a lot of cars here. And then maybe I'll add in a motorcycle. Okay, motorcycle. Maybe the one with the top votes. Okay, let's see. Does this have their votes or? Okay, we're just gonna get a simple one. A simple. Okay, wait. Okay, this is flip. This is rotate. Look, it's backwards, but it doesn't really. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, then you press the green things and then rotate it. Okay, I can't rotate it, so I'm just gonna press play. Wait, okay, I'm just gonna play it. Test out test out the cars, and then I'll put the ramps. Okay, I'm gonna test with what is this in the ground? Okay, I might just need to delete this soon. Yay. Can you move? Ah, can't move. Wait, let me just test out this. Oh, okay. Control and spar. R. Okay, I have no idea how to do that. Let's press controls. Throttle up, brakes down. How do I move forward? Okay, let's just do the mouse. Mouse button 1, handbrake, left shift, clutch. What's clutch? Oh yeah, this ain't working, so I'm just gonna stop and I'll delete everything. Delete, maybe put in some other motorcycles. This one. Okay, we put that. Wait, how much vote? 3 votes. Okay, at least it has some votes. Don't tell me I need to try to rotate this again. Wait, it was the blue one, didn't I? Okay, I thought it was the green one. Okay, so we got it good so far. We got these and stuff. Yeah, it's good, I think. Okay, let's just play. Oh wait, okay, I forgot to add the ramps again. But whatever, I'll try to add it. So first I'm gonna try out this. Oh no. Okay, first I'm gonna D Y help. Yeah, I go forward for this. Where are we pressing all the buttons? I don't know how. Okay, go backwards. Hey. No, it ain't working. Okay. And spin. Okay, okay. Kickstand. Ooh, cool. You see, guys see this? It's like moving out, okay. Okay. We go forward. Right. Kickstand. Right. Okay. Do press. Maybe put the kickstand up and go forward. Try to release. Ah, what the? Okay, this ain't working. Right. Finally, I'll try the red one. Ah! Okay, red one. Ah! Okay, this is just weird. Maybe I'll need to upgrade the clutch or whatever this is. Guys. Okay. Ah! What the? Can I drag this up now? Okay, all of these do not work. Okay, so I'm deleting them all. Eight. Okay. Okay, no motorcycle then. I'm just gonna search ramps. Okay, ramps. Oh, maybe a boost ramp. But okay. Okay, boost ramp. Okay. This is very small. That's the first thing I noticed. This is very small. Okay. Maybe a car ramp. I said car ramp. Is a car ramp? Okay, good. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna rotate it. Wait, green? Yeah, green. No, I remember. It's blue. Okay, so, okay, is it red? L. L? Okay, then I guess we need to just do it here. Okay. I'm just gonna play it. You can also, like, install other things. I'm just gonna make it like this. Wait, actually, I kind of want to do an obby. Let's just see this. Okay, it might be a boost ramp. Is this upside down? Or is it just... See, look. Oh, it's like a bouncing thing. Like, boing, 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 boing. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna delete everything. Delete and delete. Okay, guys, that will be